Welcome to Kanama Cooks. We are going to make Eral Kaima Bajji today. This is an easy to make appetizer made with minced prawns. This delicious snack can be put together in less than 20 minutes, making it perfect for the busy evenings. Here is how to do it. Both fresh and frozen prawns work well in this recipe. If using frozen prawns, make sure to thaw the prawns to room temperature and then proceed with the recipe. I have taken about 200 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns for this recipe today. Roughly chop the prawns into small pieces. Add the minced prawns to a bowl. We will also need a whole egg for this recipe. Break an egg and add it to the bowl. Add in a little salt and the soy sauce. Mix everything well to combine. Let this mixture marinate for about 5 minutes for the salt to get into the meat. To the marinated prawns, add in the finely chopped curry leaves. Add in the finely minced ginger to the bowl. Add in some chopped green chilies to the bowl. Add in the finely chopped onions, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and some fennel seeds. Mix everything well to combine. Once the mixture is well mixed, add in about 1/4 cup of corn flour to the bowl. Add in couple of tablespoons of maida, aka the all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. Do not add any water while mixing. The moisture from the prawns and the eggs will be enough. If the batter looks very watery, add in a little bit of corn flour to adjust the consistency. Once the batter is evenly mixed, it's ready to be fried. Wet your fingers in water and pinch a small piece of the batter. Add the batter to the hot oil. Wet hands will be easier to handle as the batter will just slide off when released without sticking to the fingers. Using a fork, try to turn the fritters so they cook evenly. Cook on a medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden. Turn the fritters once a while using a fork or a spoon so they brown evenly. Once they are golden, add in a handful of curry leaves to the oil. Let the curry leaves crisp up. At this stage, add in some deseeded and roughly chopped dried red chilies. Both curry leaves and chilies add a nice aroma and flavor to the fritters. Make sure to use deseeded chilies. If you add chilies along with the seeds to the oil, they will get really smoky and you will start coughing like there is no end. So avoid adding chilies along with the seeds to the oil. Remove the fried fritters from oil and drain on paper towels. Our fantastic Eral Kaima Bajji, aka prawn mince fritters, is ready to be served. Serve immediately. This needs to be served really hot. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.